What's up, traders? Welcome to another live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard. Get ready with pen and paper. We will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis of all the hottest currency pairs that we will be trading. We will be trading live in front of you. So make sure before I begin, you do two things. One thing is smash the like button, and also another thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, right now subscribe, pressing the red button. We will be doing complete analysis, and probably we will find, if I find a trade on the live, I will give it to you so that you can make money. This is the #1 money making channel on YouTube, so stick till the end. There is a lot of surprise waiting for you. And also tomorrow there will be NFP, non-farm employment change, non-farm payroll. So we will be trading live in this live stream. So make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe so that you can stay with us. Now there is a chat area on the, you should see on the right side of your section. You see the Crypto XC. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Thank you, Robbie. Hello. Thank you for joining. Say hello and yes, so that I know you are here, and write down what you are trading, what's your thought, share your ideas, help others to also gain knowledge, and also you also get benefited from others. Jason, thank you. Hey, how are you, Jason? Thank you for joining. Before I begin anything, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and also press that bell notification. This is Forex Wizard. You have seen my analysis, weekly Forex forecast. Most of the pairs doing exactly what it is. Let's break down, let's beat the market. Now, we'll be covering all you need to trade, including gold, USD CAD, dollar yen, euro dollar, GBP USD, everything. But before I begin, tell me what you are interested about. Thank you, Jason. I want AUD USD. Of course, we will do all of them. What do you think? Rabi, good today, volatile. Yeah, euro pairs, everything volatile. I see many of you joined the session. That's really good to see that you guys and girls are here. Good evening, sir. AUD USD. Of course, I see a lot of requests for AUD USD. Miraz, thank you from Karachi. Thank you, Miraz, for joining. Pawin, good evening. Good evening. Bhumia, good afternoon. Thank you for joining. GBP USD, Ashok, thank you. And Crypto XC, AUD USD, Ikaporta, good evening. Nizam, good evening. Thank you for joining. This really great to see that a lot of trader, all of you are here. We are a great team. We together, we will combine our knowledge and we will beat the market. So let's start with Aussie dollar. First of all, what's happening with Aussie dollar? Let's see. Okay, Aussie dollar, what we saw that the previous 4 hours, there has been a shooting star, a doge is formed. Now currently the price is retracing to the upside. First, let me look at the multi-time frame. Now always keep in mind, this is the best advantage I find in my trading, is that I always combine when like it's very few traders think about it. Always think when the candle is closing, let's say when monthly close, when weekly close, and relate it to your price action. That is a very, very important concept. Nelson, thank you for joining. Usdjpy, yes, of course. I see many of you. Maculiria, thank you for joining. Sorry if I can't pronounce your name properly. Sometimes I face difficulty in pronouncing name. So thank you for joining from Philippines. Yes, of course. Hello, Mixchi, also join. Let's see Aussie dollar. Let's what happening with gold and Aussie dollar and everything. So Aussie dollar, this is the monthly chart. Okay. Now, one important thing, I strongly believe that, see, after 2 days, this monthly candle is closing, right? Now this, you see this dotted line that I have drawn yesterday. Now this dotted line can give you a good resistance for this move. Why? Because this is the Aussie dollar, you know, this is the monthly chart on Aussie dollar, and this is the neckline of this move because there was a long consolidation and head and shoulder on the weekly time frame. So this head and shoulder, even I predicted when the candle was here, and this came down on the weekly. Now at this point monthly, what you will see that Aussie dollar just below this resistance. Now because this is monthly time frame, we will not trade on the monthly, but if this monthly candle closes somewhere here after in 2 days, I think that we will get move towards down, because even we could see a big move towards down. We don't know, but we could see like this, or at least certain level. Okay, so because this is basically a strong selling pressure here in this zone, and this candle is alone is to the upside. But if it closed above this level with a big spike, that's a different story. Then we will re-evaluate the situation. For now, let's consider that monthly will close here and Aussie dollar is bearish, let's say. Now weekly, we see that, you see there is a now doji is being formed, but what I think that we might not see immediate drop here. Okay, could see, but highly unlikely, because it's a it was moving with a high speed and could close somewhere here as a doji. Let's see on the daily. Now we will go to the lower time frame. Okay, now daily, what we see after this rejection from this monthly level, today also the price went up. Now again the sellers trying to sell. Now let's see on the 4 hour for short term trading, guys, how we can find a trading short term. Now on the 4 hour, we could see a spike towards the downside on Aussie dollar. Okay, let's see what happened. I think that we might see, because if this candle, this one cannot break this doji, you see this is the doji, if it cannot break this high of the doji, from here we might see Aussie dollar spike towards the downside. That could happen, but this is a overall still an uptrending market. And the only thing I can say that if this 4 hour candle cannot close above, from here we might see, not guaranteed, we might see a spike towards down, and it could break somewhere here. Basically it will go up and down somewhere here, because the monthly candle, because it's weekly and monthly close. And what I can say that monthly, because you see there is a support here also with this red candle, and monthly could close somewhere here. So we could see for now a spike towards down on Aussie dollar. Okay, so let's see let me go through this session over time. I will see how this candle is behaving, and I will come back again to see what's happening. Okay, so for now looks like it's still it could be bearish. Let's see what else we have. Agbola, hey everyone, thank you for everyone joining in this session. This is not a valid conversion. AUD must be bearish pause. Yes, Miras, that's what I am thinking. AUD could be bearish, but that's what I am telling. Higher time frame is if monthly candle closes here below this level, we might see bearish move. So that's what I'm explaining, that after, if this candle cannot break this high, we might see a downward move on AUD. Let's see what happened. So AUD JPY, as you see that AUD USD and AUD JPY behave a bit differently, but this AUD JPY now at the top, it's like a lonely soldier. So at any point it might face an attack. Okay, so let's see on the weekly. Okay, weekly as well, we see it's an impulsive move towards the upside. So we can expect a retracement, because this is the monthly close, and we can expect a retracement daily. Now daily also, it's a very, very strong, very, very high momentum market. Let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, now 4 hour, as like the Aussie dollar, AUD JPY, though it is on a level of support here, there is a level of support. Okay, we might see a break of level of support coming down somewhere here and creating a new structure, but I can't say that this is a full trend reversal until we see further confirmation. But for now, it may not go up from here. I think it will go down first. Okay, Aussie yen, that is the situation on the Aussie yen. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Smash the like button now. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot to take. You have seen the previous sessions. Sometime I provide pure trade signal, then what likely to happen. I see Gbpusd said Usdjpy. Let's quickly go through all of them. I'll analyze one by one everything. So let's see British pound US dollar. Basically, you see what's happening with the British pound US dollar. It created this bearish engulfer. The price went up. Now we see now push down. Okay, so British pound US dollar, GBP CAD, all are bearish. You see GBP CAD, what happened? As if you are following this live trading session, you saw that after this double doji, again GBP CAD drop down. Okay, so all of this GBP pair is dropping. Let's see over with the progress of this session, I will advise more what happened. JPY pair are nonsense. Ahmed, no problem. All the NZD USD, NZD CAD, yes, NZD USD. Let's see NZD USD. As you have seen that yesterday we have secured profit on this one from here with our students. Now so far we didn't enter any trade. We are waiting. Now today I have analyzed an NZD USD on the YouTube and in trading view. You probably have seen. So let me re-evaluate it. NZD USD. Now what I am thinking that NZD USD, you see it has created, first of all, see the monthly, quickly the higher time frame. Now NZD USD over the long term, it is bearish. You see this is a bearish price action. Now because the month, remember this week is super important, monthly and weekly closing together, so we would find a lot of volatility in the market. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you, my friend Jason. Thank you for joining this session. So monthly NZD USD, you see there is this is the monthly candle and this is bearish. I think that we could see further drop on NZD USD as this is a bearish market, and the monthly candle now came to this important level of liquidity zone, and from here we see that now sellers selling on the lower time frame. Now let's see on the daily, weekly. First of all, now weekly, same thing. You see it has in the past, you see every time the price coming along this dynamic resistance, the price is rejecting. Now if you look at the past on weekly chart NZD, see there is a red candle and then the price dropped to the bottom of this channel. So there is a channel here, you see NZD USD. So all this confirmation saying that NZD USD is looks like bearish. Let's see daily. Now daily, the previous day we sold this candle. Now this day is still the price is here. It still could be bullish based on how the price action is creating, but on the 4 hour, what I am seeing that if the price, you see there is this is the reversal pattern. You see there is a support here. Okay, there is a support here, there is a support here, and if the price come here, test this support as a resistance and create a head and shoulder here, and then likely to drop. This is the situation. Now let me explain previous day's trade that we secured. That is very important so that you can secure this kind of trade in the future. Smash the like button if you did it yesterday, and also don't forget to subscribe. Let me explain why I took this trade, and this is really crucial for your trading education. No one will give you this kind of education. You know, I learned from a really very hard way. As I told you, I shared with you, I struggled a lot in my trading career, in my personal life as well. As I mentioned previously, you know, in 2014 I had a breakdown, mental breakdown, and then I was told that I have a illness like a psychosis, and then I was given a medication, and that medication, you know, put me in a body weight, huge body weight. I would fall in a depression for long, 8 months depression, and you know, I wake up, I overcome that, and then I started exercise, running, regular discipline. I dropped my body weight. I found my passion as a trader. I found, because in my childhood, I was passionate about gambling, like that. I grew up in village, and I used to play gambling, and because of that, I was always I face a lot of difficulties. So this is something part of myself as a trader, and that is now when I came to discipline in my life, that part of myself has grown up, and this is the real who I am, and that is my passion. I do it not for money, not for anything. It's my feeling. I want to feel that I'm putting value in people's life, because this is my identity. So to be a trader, you don't have to do anything. You have to create an identity, and this is very, very important. Keep in mind, this is not all about chart and trade. You need to think, pay attention. Okay, so creating an identity of a trader is very, very important. Then how can you create an identity? See, you have a current identity. Identity shifting is the key to achieve anything in your life. Yes, I'll do Krish, everything, dollar, yen, of course, we'll go all of them, gold, we'll go all of them. Say, identity is the key. Say, let's say who you are is your identity. Now, if you keep your identity same, but trade it every day, but you don't shift your identity from who you are now to be a trader, it will not bring a positive result in your life. See, there is a saying that no matter how hard you try, if you do the same thing, you'll receive the same result. So let's say you passed, you are losing money. Okay, ask yourself, do I do anything different, or I'm doing the same thing? If you are doing the same thing expecting the different result, it will not come. So to create an identity of a trader, I will show you now how you will create an identity of a trader. Let's imagine that you are on your trading desk now. Okay, just pay attention here. You need a mentor. I'm here, I'm helping you. I promise it will work. Just pay attention what I'm telling. Let's say now you are in a trading desk, you are trading. What you will do? Turn off mobile phone, turn off everything when you are trading. Turn off social media, turn off everything. Open the chart, let's say 4-hour time frame, and then look at the chart over and over again. Take time. Don't hurry to take a trade. Look at monthly, let's say NZD/USD. Okay, let's say this one. Let's say you want to trade 4 hour. Now, how you can find this trade here? Okay, see, first of all, what do you see here? There is a head and shoulder. Okay, now timing is very important. Remember, this head and shoulder formed on Friday. Next day, Monday morning, there is a gap opening. So you need to keep in mind price action as well as timing. Monday morning, there is a gap opening, and in this gap opening, the first candle is this one. See, the first candle of Asian session is this one. So what this candle is telling you, every candle is a story. This candle is telling you that, look, there is a head and shoulder saying that there is a reversal pattern. Okay, the price may reverse. At the top of the price action, there is a lower high. Okay, so that means the buyers exhausted. Second, you found two confluence. Now Monday morning, you found a gap opening with a rejection from the top, one doji. Next candle, after this green candle, what you saw? Another one. Okay, this one is a textbook bearish engulfer. There is a lower high has been created, and also the price broke down, create this red candle. So these two candles will give you everything you need for the month if you understand the price action, if you understand trading. After this candle, you easily can go short from here, keeping stop loss here. Okay, why? Because see, first of all, this head and shoulder is telling you that there is a reversal pattern. The price is likely to reverse. Okay, now you will not trade at the moment. You need to confirm that, okay, the price is reversing. I need to see a breakdown. With this red candle, the price broke down. Okay, and the price broke down, that means that the price is likely to reverse, and then you will be trading keeping your stop loss. And also look at the every high is creating a lower high. What does it mean? It means that every time the buyers pushing the price, they cannot go to the same level the previous session. They can, let's say this session they were here, next session 1-2 buyers fall down and injured, another session some other buyer injured. That means the buyers getting weaker, okay, the sellers getting strong and sell, and then see what happened. Okay, now at this point, see the price is going up. Okay, that's what is trading now. As I mentioned, I will be waiting for this 20 period moving average testing, and testing of this. If I see rejection, then I will be thinking of going short again. Keep in mind that this is a bullish market so far. Okay, overall bearish but short term bullish on the weekly. So immediately I cannot go short by closing my eyes. So this is the situation with NZD USD. I saw Piyang, great analysis. Thank you, Piyang Ama sir, from Canada. Good morning from Canada. And great teacher, great learning. Thank you, Miraz. Thank you for your compliment. And also Ahmed in USD CAD is ready to take the buy. I see 2 pin bar. Ahmed, don't make this mistake. It's a bearish market. Let me analyze USD CAD. Okay, let's see what happening with the USD CAD. All right, USD CAD, I think that it's ready to sell. Why? Let me tell you. That is what you need to keep in mind. That's why most trader lose money. Okay, you need to, see, out of 9 trade, out of in 10 trader out of 9, I have to forget that language. So 9 out of 10 trader lose money. So that means 1 makes money, right? That one must be thinking different than the 9. So you need to think differently. Look at this. Yesterday, what did I say? That when you see a market falling, never think of buying. Okay, first rule, falling market, sell short. Trading defy logic. Keep in mind, trading defy logic. The reason we think that way, it's okay. I also think that way. Everyone think that way. It's okay to thinking that way. Don't force yourself. No, why am I thinking that way? I have to be. No, think like the way you think. It's a matter of practice. Allow yourself to think, to learn, but also you need to think consciously. There are 2 thinking. One is conscious thinking, another one is unconscious thinking. You need to think consciously. What do you think? Look at this one here, what I say. You see? Let me draw this line. This is a very, very important thing. Look at this. What do you see? This is a big, long candle here. That's what always when you open chart, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, see what's happening in the market. Look at this one here. You see? This is basically test of this. This support is broken here. Test of this support as a resistance, and boom, there is a big move. Now, why we think to sell short on USD CAD is because, see, when this price fall here, okay, there is basically a lot of order from the banks, from the hedge funds. There is a lot of order. Now look at this one here. First of all, you see there is a big bearish engulfer. You see, after this bearish engulfer, I post analysis. What did I say? That this price likely to drop. When you see this kind of bearish engulfer, you can almost 95% sure that the price will drop, and it's drop again. Now next time the price broke this level of support here, okay, now with this tested as resistance, and now what you see that at the same time with this long wick candle, what you see that the price basically came back to the range again. The price was moving along this channel. USD CAD, see, the price was moving along this channel. This is a false breakout. So when you see a false breakout, meaning that it is actually preparing for another impulse to the downside. when you see, this is a really cool thing, that when you see a channel, downward channel, false breakout to the upside, sell, because it has another momentum. When the price came here, because the sellers got a bit tired, so they get some energy, they eat some food, going up, hitting some stop loss, and then dropping down again. So USD CAD still bearish. Okay, so where we can sell USD CAD, let me draw this line. So we might see in next session or so, we could see a retracement, or maybe further down, and we will be waiting for a slow retracement, couple of dodges, and then we will be selling short USD CAD. Short, even without looking the higher time frame, I would say that it is short. Let's see, but I could be wrong. Don't think that okay, Forex Wizard is always right. I'm gonna bring my Lamborghini tonight. Okay, take a big risk and then blow. If you blow your account, it's your responsibility. Never take a big risk. Always manage your risk. I showed you yesterday how to manage risk. I'm showing again. Okay, it's real education. Go to this website called Forex Factory. Okay, I'm showing again. This is, pardon me, not Forex Factory, myfxbook.com. Okay, this is the real education. myfxbook.com. I'll show you again how to take a trade. This is a free website. There is a apps available as well. Choose your currency pair. Let's say you want to trade USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Go to, where is USD CAD? So all this in your drop down list, it's available here. USD CAD, and then account size. If you have an account size $100, $1,000, no problem. 10,000, 50,000, 1 million, write down here. And then risk ratio. Let's say you want to risk 2%. That means that in 1% or 2%, let's say 1,000 account, risk will be $20, 2%. Stop loss pip. Now go to here. Let's say you want to trade from this week. Let's say you want to trade 50 pip stop loss. Okay, so what you will do, place 50 pip and then calculate. It will take you less than a minute. Okay, and then that means you need to sell 0.05 lot, then sell from here. Keep your put stop loss above, and then take profit. Put a big take profit, let's say 5 times, 10 times, and then sleep. You know that you have a $1,000 trading account, you are risking $20. If it hit my stop loss, let it go. But if I will take $100 5 times, or $200 10 times. That is trading. Okay, and you have to have that aggressive, strong mindset to be a trader. If you are looking for a short, oh my god, I took a trade, hit a stop loss, now I feel so pain. It's okay, I did the same, by losing and hitting in a stop loss so many times. My brain become I desensitized my brain. That is trading. That's how you have to be a trader. No trader you will find in the world who became born as a trader, and then he didn't never lose money, always make money. Like you see some video on YouTube, $100 turn into 1 million. Watch that video and lose your $100. Never happens. The happen is that a trader is a skill. Develop this skill, and then with the smaller account you can grow. See, there is a lot of funding available. If you want funding, I have my partners. I will, in next trading session, I will let you know how you can be funded. If you have that skill, the people are waiting to help you. Okay, develop with the $100 trading account. Show that you can trade. Okay, show the result that you can manage risk. People will give you $1 million account. People will give you $100,000 account, $10,000. Then make money from there. Okay, you don't have to make $100 account and all day long going through fear, greed, and losing money. It doesn't have to be like that. You can be a trader. As I told you, I have a video on title as how not to lose money in trading. Watch that. I explain here. It's our belief creating the result, is not the trading. It's your belief. See, our 97% behavior thinking is unconscious or subconscious. I experienced all of this. That's why I'm telling. Hello, CHF. Of course. Hello, Chief. Oh, I saw there is CHF. Good morning, thank you for joining, all of you. I saw many of you. Rabi good, thank you. Yep, Euro is USD. See, many things I experienced in my life. Remember, our behavior, our thinking is fully unconscious or subconscious. When we think that the market release a news, that's why I hit a stop loss, or I lose money because of this, because of that. That's the way we are conditioned. Inside you there is a power. You have to tap into that power, and no one else can do it. I can motivate you, I can give you tools, I can give you strategy, I can help you to become yes, of course. Tell me, what is your two-part question? GBP, USD, GBP. Yes, all of them will do now one by one. So let's see what else we have. So that's what I'm telling you. You need to quiet your mind, okay, to develop, to tap into that power that you have inside you. As a human, you have power, okay. Keep in mind, you have the power to change your life. So let's see what's happening with so USD CAD. As I told you, I'm still bearish, okay. Let's see what happened. I could be wrong at any point, but let's see what's happening with. So what else? Let's see gold. What's happening with the gold? Okay, gold dropped. All right, there's, as I told you, if you've seen my analysis, you may have seen what's happening with the gold. Now I am still not trading gold. I'm waiting. As I told you, I want to see. Let me show you the daily. Now why the gold dropped? See, when this doji form last week in my weekly forex forecast, if you haven't seen it, watch it. Smash the like button if you watched it, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. What did I say? That after this doji, that gold is likely to drop from here. Exactly what happened. I had two conditions in my analysis. What did I say? Gap opening will go up, but it didn't do. It dropped as per expected, and my bias was to the downside. Now at this point, what is happening with the gold? Let me quickly give you a multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll decide where we can trade gold. So monthly, you see exactly the price on the monthly opening and closing. This is a very, very crucial zone. This is a strong support now. At any point we could see a bounce. So let me draw all this level on the monthly. There is one here, there is one here. So this is the monthly low, this is the monthly close and opening, and let's see on the weekly that level, on the daily. Okay, so let's go to the daily. Now what might happen, what I think, that gold could go up again. You see there is a 20 period moving average. I don't think that gold will leave this 20 period moving average alone, okay. During the high impact news release today or tomorrow, I think gold will come up again, and then will drop, because the gold already break this level of support. There is a strong 4-hour candle support. Let's see how many candle close open, break this level of support. Let's see what's happening. Let's say 4-hour now. So my bet will be gold on if it comes here. See, this is the line where there is a daily 20 period moving average. This is the line where there is a 4-hour 20 period moving average, and that is where from I think that gold will drop, okay. So then how I will be trading to this? Even it could be from here. So what I need is basically a clear price action pattern, because the gold, if something drops, I can't say okay, dropping I sell. I need proper entry point, and that is the key. Sometimes I don't trade even a big long time until I see my setup, until I see I'm confident with this trade, then I will take. Because I suffered a lot. Many of you definitely facing the same trouble, that over trading. If you like don't have a specific strategy, you will be over trading, okay. This happens. So go to my description area, join my program if you like. There's a discount going on, or watch all the video on the channel that will give you really good idea. All the strategies are there, and also I have completely my gold miner strategy in my website. If you join my lifetime access program, you will learn that best trading strategy. If you don't want to join, no problem, stay with this channel. Every day I'm live streaming, I'm giving analysis, even sometime trade signal. Tomorrow we will be trading live NFP. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss this NFP. Trust me, in NFP live trading you might get a good trade opportunity, because I will trade really, it's after the NFP there is always trade signals. So make sure you stick tomorrow when I'll do the live streaming. Today also we'll be analyzing. If we find good trade, we will be telling you when we can trade. So you see, this is the level. If the price goes here in this zone, I will be considering going short if I see proper price action. On the other hand, if it doesn't give me an entry point here, then I will be waiting for an entry point here. So this 1920, 1933, these are the 2 point I will be waiting for selling gold if the price move there. So this is the situation with the gold. Very good monthly. Thank you for joining, all of you. It's really good to see. 16, much love from Nigeria. Thank you. Comedy TV, maybe it's not your name, but Gbpusd, check it. Yeah, of course, all of them. Duke, how long normally hold your position before they hit your profit target? Until it hit my profit target or until it hit my stop loss. This is my strategy. Some people like to break even, but I only do trade. I manage risk to 1% and then I forget it, okay? Because I don't like to always watch the trade, what's happening, and then I get confused, and then sometimes I close the trade. After closing the trade, it goes to my profit target and I hear, shit, what did I close? I don't like all of this drama. I analyze the chart, I take proper signal, and then I entry, and then I forget it, okay? Either I take profit, full profit, or I close with the loss. That's it. It's a simple lifestyle, okay? Making money is simple if you know how to do that. So let's see what's happening with Duke. Also, how many position are you comfortable with holding at the same time? Do you mind holding multiple position at once, or do you hold about one position at a time? Thanks, Duke. That's a very, very good question. Everyone pay attention. This is a these are the real thing you need to keep in mind in trading. Not always thinking about money. It's about the management, how you manage the risk. See, the thing is that you need to keep in mind, it's a very good question, how many positions. See, I normally, it depends on, I normally do not go exposure more than 5% of my account money. So that means that if you trade each trade 1%, not more than 5 running trade, okay? This is one thing without break even. This is one thing I do, but you can do it more if you have a risk tolerance more. Another thing that I keep in mind is I never run same currency pair at a time unless they are break even. Sometimes I do if I have a less, let's say my risk tolerance is 2% per trade, okay? Now if I found a USD CAD trade short and maybe another trade USD AUD USD, so 2 USD trade, 1% each, that's it. I will not open any more USD trade until I resolve these two. That is the thing, okay? How many trade you are running, it doesn't matter. Matter is how you are managing. Like let's say you took a Euro AUD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro AUD, Euro USD, 5 trade on Euro. That means you are actually risking 5% on Euro. That's not a good idea. So that is the key things. Sammy, good day, sir. Good day. Thank you for joining. Duke, nice. Thank you. Agbullah, please review Euro USD. Yes, I will do it now. Making money is simple if you know how to do that. That please give me joy. Yes, 16. Making money is simple. as long as you keep your emotion in control. Keep in mind, okay, emotion is the key, either positive or negative. You have to be in charge of your emotion. Let's see euro dollar, what's happening with this one. Let's see. Okay, euro dollar push to the upside. Now this candle is going to close after 50 minutes, but it's look like a giant candle. Let's see what happening. Let's see on the weekly. Now weekly euro dollar is facing a resistance. Okay, from here it going up. So let's see, let me check the multi-time frame, then I'll let you know. Okay, so what I am thinking, that's what I thought, that euro dollar might close somewhere here, but still, you see, I have already drawn a trend line here. This is the monthly trend line with this doji here, the low of the monthly. So if you connect these two monthly, I think that euro dollar may respect this trend line. Let me tell you, let me see what. Now weekly, what we saw, that bullish tried to bears push the price. Again, the price started to move up. Now let's see on the daily, then I'll tell you. Okay, daily, what we see, that euro dollar now went above. Okay, so what might happen, according to my understanding, my analysis, that euro dollar may respect this trend line. Okay, but what we see, there's a big move, and now at this point buying or selling neither is a good idea, because I will not buy from here euro dollar, because it is on a resistance. You see there's a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and I will not sell it. Why? Because the price already has created this big candle. Okay, so euro dollar in a sideway. So far I will not be trading until I see further confirmation. Remember, only trade when, see, let's see, if you say me here, okay, see, this is the difference that you need to keep in mind. When you will trade, when you will not trade. That's what you need to understand to be a trader. Look at this bearish engulfer that I in the live streaming, what did I say? That if this closes as a bearish engulfer, I will be trading, and I traded. I sent trading signal to my VIP members and we made money, right? Now in the meantime, if you want to join VIP channel, there is a discount going on, link in the description. You can go there and visit it. So now, why am I thinking that I'm not gonna trade this one? This one may drop completely down or may start to go up. We don't know. It's a it will be gambling. But with this one, I know that the price will drop. Now, why do I know this one will drop, and why am I avoiding this one? Let me show you. You see the price. Let me replay this chart, then you will understand it. Okay. Now see, why should you trade this bearish engulfer nicely, and why am I avoiding this? Look at this one. When this bearish engulfer formed, what you see, this is structure here. First of all, look at this. This is a reversal pattern, right? There is a reversal pattern. That means that when you see a reversal pattern and breakdown, that means the price is ready to go down. We have one confluence, another confluence. Look at this here. There is a head and shoulder, right? Two confluence. What is the other confluence? See, look at the high of this green candle and look at the high of this red candle. See, it has created a double top with a lower high. This is the secret double top that I have a completely dedicated video on YouTube. Go to my description area, watch that, or jump onto my YouTube channel, smash the like button and subscribe. There is a lot of content in this channel will change your trading system completely. Now after this bearish engulfer, we saw quite a few confluence that will tell you that euro dollar is likely to be bearish. Then trade it like this. See, don't trade it immediately from here, because the price is likely to go for retracement. Maybe you can put a pending order here, keep your stop loss above this red candle, and maybe you can target at least 1 to 2, isn't it? Then replay the chart, see what happened. Okay, so that's where you know it's a certain trade. Now at this point, I'm not gonna trade. I'll see further confirmation what's happening with euro dollar. If I see that this is the first breakout, then I'll sell short. Okay, for now I'll be waiting to see further confirmation. Kakulan, thank you for joining. Duke, thanks for sharing your thoughts. Thank you, Duke. It's really great to see all of you in this channel. Amit Bansal, about gold, please. Fresh entry. Yes. we'll go all of them. Let's see Gbpusd. Let's see what's happening with Gbpusd. Okay, now Gbpusd, okay, it's look like it is getting bullish again. Okay, Gbpusd has created a nice, shooting star here. After this shooting star, it has created a bullish move. Now Gbpusd looks like is getting bullish again. Okay, now why am I thinking it is bullish? Let me explain. First of all, Gbpusd is on this level of support. This is a clean chart, clean structure. I like to trade this kind of structure. Okay, I could be wrong at any point, but first of all, it's a long-term bullish market. Look at this. Okay, this is a long-term bullish market. First thing. Second thing is there is a structure here. Okay, see, this is a resistance here, acted as a support. Now this kind of level is very, very strong because previously it acted as a resistance. Now it is acting as a support, and quite a few back-to-back 4-hour candle rejected from here. Now the only thing could happen is we might see a spike to the downside, penetrating this level, maybe to this level, even coming here, hunting the stop loss and going up. So even it could go up without any stop loss hunting, but that's why if I trade this one, I will be trading from here, keeping my stop loss below this low. If I am hunted, I always keep my risk low, and I will keep my target here. So let's say if I trade it long as an example, okay, I'm still not trading, but even if you keep stop loss here, it will give you at least 1 to 3 risks to reward. Now listen, this is not a trade signal, this is just an educational purpose. If you are trading this, then make sure you manage your risk. And this is a disclaimer. This is I'm not a financial advisor. Keep in mind, this is just for your own education, to help you to grow as a trader. I'm a trader. I feel your need, I understand your need, and I am always here for you. As I told you, this is your channel. See, I had an ego death, as I told you in couple of years ago. I had a breakdown, and I have gone through a lot of physical, mental, and emotional struggle, and that's why I'm so passionate about what I do, and I am always polite and bold at the same time. I'm always grateful and always aware of my action, what I'm doing. I learned many things from trading. Trading changed my life, and if you stay with this channel, I promise that I can turn into a trader as long as you keep your mind open, listen what I'm telling, follow the instruction, manage risk, beat the market, keep the risk low, keep a big take profit target, do not close the trade premature. See, why do we struggle as a trader? Let me tell you, it's very important technical perspective. Why do we close trade? Keep in mind, let's say let's for example, if this one is a winning trade, okay, then what will happen? The price will go up and then will come down again, will go up and will come down again. Even it could hit your stop loss, even without hitting stop loss, coming down again going to hit your profit target. You see, let's say you risk here, for example, let's say $10, okay, in a trade. Now what will happen? When the price will go there, you will profit $20, and then the price will come here, your profit will become 0. That's an emotional response. Again will go there, then you will see that you make $60 profit or $50 profit. If you still hold the trade, the price will come here, maybe coming to minus $7, and then it could go hit your profit target to $80. That is trading, and this up and down create an emotional response inside us, and that emotion you need to be able to control. Now if you have a, let's say if you have a $1,000 account, and then you risk $500 because Forex Wizard told that this trade will go up and tonight I will make whole my money, then what will happen? the price will go there, you make how much? Let's say $100 profit, and then the price will come to 0, and then you say, shit, why did I miss this $100? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? And then you will wait, the price will go to $60, and you say, okay, Forex Wizard told that I might get the full profit, I will wait. And then the price will come back here, and because your account doesn't have enough equity, it will blow out. So what's that? I don't want this to happen. Okay, so keep in mind, keep risk low so that you can become another Forex Wizard. Okay, I want you to become a best trader in the world. Always keep mind open. There is a book from Robert Greene. He said that we have two minds. You need to combine your children mind and your adult mind. Okay, the children mind is the one what can think everything is possible, and the adult mind one who can reason, logic and reason intelligently. When you bring together, then you can create great things in your life. Okay, so that's what is you have to become like that, and I know that you are like that. Smash the like button now, hit that red subscribe button, press that bell notification so that you don't miss out this kind of wizardry. You see what happened? Gold is now at the bottom. Let it drop. Don't trade FOMO. If you miss gold, let it miss. USD CAD is pushing upside. Okay, if USD CAD, see, that's what I know. If USD CAD closes something like that as a doji, I might sell short. Smash the like button. If I hit a stop loss, I will hit a stop loss. Okay, I'm telling again, if only because before this candle close, I might close the stream. You see USD CAD now pushing up. If this one closes as a green candle, like that, then I'm not gonna do anything. But if this USD CAD closes just below this green candle, you see this level, that means the 21.2515 below this level, then I will be selling short, keeping stop loss at least above this high, and I will target at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 with our VIP member. Now if you want to join this VIP Telegram channel and also learn my strategy, link in the description. There is a discount going on. Visit my website, join. There is a lot to take from here. Thank you for joining. And ZUSD is dropping down now. Yes, Nelson, and ZUSD dropping. We'll look all of them. Thank you for patiently staying with this channel, supporting this channel, and I'm really grateful to you for being with this channel. You are the owner of this channel, and I always, everything I create for you, and I will be creating for you for the rest of my life. This is my identity. Okay, so let's see what's happening with other instrument. Let me know what you want me to cover next. Sir, please check Euro and ZD. Let's see Euro and GD. Doug, have you subscription just for VIP signal? Yes, Doug, I have that subscription. Because this is the live stream, I may not be able to respond to you. I have salesperson, she will respond to you after the live stream. Go to the description, go to my website. There is a chat area. Talk to her, she will be able to help you. If needed, I will talk to you, no problem. Thank you. Let's see what's happening with other instrument. Gbpusd. Okay, Gbpusd, as I told you, looking like bullish. So USD CAD, go back to USD CAD again. Now it looks like what it might do, it might test this 20 period moving average and may drop from here. If it close like that, close like this one, I might think of going short. If it close as a doji, if I'm wrong, I will be closing. I will be have a very I might keep only how many pip, maybe 10 pip, 12 pip stop loss, like that. If I'm wrong, I will just get out. Okay, Euro CHF, please. Let's see Euro pairs. There is a lot of request for Euro CHF. Kakulan said Euro CHF. Let's see Euro and ZD, and then I will check Euro CHF. So Euro and ZD, okay, Euro and ZD look like Euro is getting very some news release, or because I'm in a live stream, I don't know what's happening, but looks like Euro and ZD is pushing to the upside. Now one important thing, guys and girls, keep in mind, never trade panic. When the market moves like that, I just stay in sideline and like this, you know, like quiet man. And that's what you have to be. When the market, have you, I grew up in village, I sometimes catch, chicken. Have you ever catch the wild chicken? So how to catch a wild chicken? If you run with the chicken, then what will happen? You will get tired, but the chicken will stay same. Okay, so what will happen, that what you need to do, you need to let the chicken run, you take rest. Okay, let the chicken get tired. When it will tired, then catch it like this. When the market is running, wait. Okay, don't chase rising market, just wait, and once they are fully subsides, then see what's happening and price trade based on this. Okay, it could be a fake move to the upside. Okay, let's see what's happening. But when move like this, it could be a fake move, but to validate it as a fake move, I need another one, big move down. Okay, then I would say that it's a fake move, then we could think of selling from this market. So Euro is rising, Euro CHF also same thing is happening. Let's see. As you know that in trading more, but Euro CHF is a strongly bearish market. Okay, but we see that, you see, the only thing to keep in mind that you see this candle. Okay, Euro CHF, we might see a bigger move, could be. What I see now, you see, this is the monthly candle. This is the historically the historical notorious price drop in Euro CHF in the history of trading, biggest drop, and the price just came to this zone. You see, this is the zone. So from this one, as you see, previous months we saw a bearish engulfer. I would say Euro CHF for now, let's see, let's keep it aside. Let's see how the price action is forming, then we will be thinking for selling Euro CHF. For now, let it move, and we'll see. Euro is short term bullish, yeah, but I will not trade for now. Okay, Gbpusd check okay, semi Euro and Euro say short term bullish, yes. Commodity Gbpusd, let's see what's happening with Gbpusd currently. I see that, okay, so Gbpusd, all the now pairs like including Gbpusd is short term bullish. Okay, Gbpusd, we could find another selling opportunity. Let's see, because if the price move here, I would say that we might see another selling opportunity, because what I think that Gbpusd will move like this, like this. Okay, so I want to see that how the price is forming. I think that if this one goes above in this 4 hour, like a unusual candle is always, remember, it's a false breakout most of the time. If this one goes above, close above here, okay, I might sell short. So let's see what happened, but whatever happening is happening for the better, giving us another shorting opportunity, because I will never buy from here. It is unlikely for me that the GBP will go up from here. So smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. And let's see what's happening, and we'll go from here. So Nelson, I see that Duke sent a question. I'll get back to you after the live stream. So let's see what happening. Let's see, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen Usdjpy. So I saw that yen is still weaker. Okay, dollar is getting weaker. That's why dollar yen also I see that falling. So not because of the yen, but because of the dollar is weaker. So if dollar yen creates this kind of a structure, we might see that we might find another opportunity here. But for now, I will keep it aside dollar yen. See, when the market is highly bullish, when the market is falling, that means you can consider it as a retracement. Wait for the retracement, wait for another bullish move, and then you can trade with high probability. So this is really good time spending with you guys and girls. Let's see dollar USD. Okay, AUD USD, as I told you starting of the session, smash the like button now. What did I say? That this 4-hour candle will tell you what's happening. Okay, now if this one closes below, say I will sell short. Okay, why? Because there will be double doji with a lower high and lower low. Again, dollar USD AUD USD, sorry, AUD USD, if this one closes as a doji, I'll be selling short, and let's see what's happening. Oh, it's gone. So AUD USD, see, this is called Forex Wizard. Smash the like button now and also hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification, don't miss out, and join the VIP team. There is a lot to take from here. I saw many of you asking for monthly subscription. I have that option at the end of the stream. Go to the chat section in my website. We'll talk. I have a salesperson. She will respond to you, or I'll respond to you. No problem. Let's see what's happening. So gold, okay, gold also dropped aggressively. NZD USD, what's happening with the one that we discussed? So all of them now dropping as per our analysis. See, NZD USD did exactly what it is. You see, what did I say? The price will go there, test this, and then will drop, and we see it is dropping now. AUD USD, NZD USD showing the same kind of pattern. So now after a couple of minutes I will end the stream because I need to look at the chart for my own trading. It's my passion. I can't live without trading, and I need to send signal to my VIP members as well. So I have almost did a 1 hour live streaming. I sincerely believe that you found value in this stream. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Every day I do live streaming. I give trading signal, trade advice like this. At the same time, I trade live with my student. If you want to learn more about me, more about my trading style, more about everything, then join the VIP section. There's a link in the description, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay with this. We'll have a good time. Thank you for joining. See you soon tomorrow in NFP live. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. DXY Comedy TV, thank you sir for option. Okay, so DXY basically is the mirror of all the USD pair. USD falling means DXY is falling. So I'll be DXY is falling, maybe it will fall back to the level of support. So let's see what happened next. Thank you. See you soon tomorrow. Much love.